Hi, everyone. Me and Mr. Math here, Mr. Whitehead. Um, I shared with you in the Google Classroom ST Math as a resource. I took a pre-quiz, and now I'm in the gameplay part of it. Now, in the gameplay, there's this is our penguin here. Name is Gigi, Jiji, and you're instructed to follow the gray. So whenever you see gray, you're supposed to click on it and go to the next. Whatever's gray, that's what you're doing. I made another video where I completed the first part, and I didn't like the video, but I had already completed the first part, so I'm not going to click the gray here. I'm going to click the green. I'm going to do the first part again because I want you to see it. Once I click it, I'm going to zip it up, play through it. I'll talk you through it. And I'll be posting more videos where I'll be shutting off my mic and just playing the game itself, showing you the different little puzzles that are involved. This is great. I mean, we're going to start right off, as you can see here. There goes Gigi. We're dealing with integers, okay? Positive and negative integers. A vertical number line, the thermometer. So let's take a look here. Over on the left, you can see, now notice that there's no directions either. No directions. In this game, you just have a puzzle in front of you, and you learn by playing. We're going to figure this out by playing. I already know how to do it, but let's take a look. Over on the left, we have a reading of 12 degrees. Now it's just above 10, and we can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to use my mouse here. You can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if you can see the mouse. Well, I'll learn when you see the video and when I see the video. But 5 lines between 10 and 20, and those 5 lines each represent 2 degrees. Okay, we can see that over here on the right. All right, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, now it says that it's plus 10 in the middle. So I'm going to assume that that means add 10 to 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, but it wasn't adding 10 to 12. Yeah, it was. It was. So 22. So that should be right. And then up in the right-hand corner, we have the penguin. I click on the penguin. Now let's merge. Okay, there we go. 20 degrees, 22 degrees, excuse me. Now, I want to show you what happens if you get it wrong. My son, he does the kindergarten version of this, and he loves getting these wrong. If I if he's left to his own, he will just hit the wrong answers all day, which leads me to believe he knows what the right answers are, because he's always getting the wrong answers, and he just loves it, and it makes him giggle. So this is what happens. Let's say we're at 32 degrees and we're supposed to add 10, but we're a little careless and we added 12. This is what happens. Ooh, the difference was at 2 degrees. Ooh, loves the sounds and loves the penguin faces him. So that's it. Now you can see down below where it says 12%. If we look to the left, there's that penguin. There was another penguin there before. Those are the lives that you have, the chances or the lives that we have here. So 32 degrees, same problem. And right back to the same problem. I love it. So 32 degrees plus 10 degrees is 42 degrees. Here we go. And there goes Gigi. Our penguin goes safe from left to right. Okay, this is ST Math again. I'll put a link up on the Google website. That doesn't really matter much to you here if you're already here. So the scale has changed on this thermometer. Now we're talking each line, it represents 5 degrees. Okay, so on the left, we're at 75, and in the middle, you see that the temperature, we're looking to drop the temperature by 30 degrees, negative 30 degrees. So if you're at 75 degrees in the afternoon, and by evening it drops 30 degrees, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, you're going to be at 45 degrees. There we go. 25% of the way, 37% of the way there. Okay. 10 degrees. So we're at, again, scales 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's what we have on the left. The increase of 10 degrees from 25 degrees to 35 degrees. It seems right. There it goes. Plus 10. We're increasing, going up on the number line. Okay, so we are at 45 degrees. So you have to scale. I tried to just click there, but you have to move it. 45 degrees plus 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. 45 plus 20 is 65. There it is. 65. Okay, 75. Subtract 20 degrees, or 75 degrees and negative 20 degrees. We are going to be at 50? No, 55. I have to be careful attending to precision here, because I did make that mistake earlier on purpose. But making that mistake, I don't want to have to start again at the beginning. If you make your 2 mistakes, you run out of lives, and you will start at the beginning. So 22, right? The scale's changed. Every mark represents 2 degrees. So 22, 20 plus 40 would give me 60. But it wasn't 20, it was 22. So I'm at 62. There it is. Bing. All right. 72 degrees on the left, subtracting 20 degrees, or decreasing our temperature by 20 degrees. 70 minus 10 is 60. 70 minus 20 is 50. Okay, but it wasn't 70, it was 72. So it should be 52 degrees. And voila. That's it. Are we there? Great. Now, follow the gray. I'm not going to solve this puzzle. I just want to show you. So this game, as you progress, you just keep clicking the gray. Click the gray, click the gray. And here we are in a new puzzle. So it looks like we're going to have 2 different integers. And these are opposites, so that's good. You know what I'm going to get when you add the opposites? You combine opposites. You increase 40 and decrease 40. What's the change? 0. Yeah, it's 0. That's right. I'm going to go back. Okay, notice by going back, it's gray again. That's what we want. All right. So until next time, guys, stay healthy and happy. Thanks for watching.